Hello, we're gonna work on Wyland third grade worksheet lesson 15 today. So first of all, for number 1 through 5, use the tally table. So we're gonna look at this table right now. So it says favorite school subject and subject tally. Science is 8, reading 15, social studies 6, art 7, and math 13. So this is like survey. And number 1 is how many students took the survey in total. So we'll add everything up to find the total number. So let's just add it right now. So 8 plus 15 plus 6 plus 7 plus 13. So we'll do step by step. So 15 plus 8 is 23. So 23 plus 6 plus 7 plus 13. 23 plus 6 is 29. And 29 plus 7 is 36. And 36 plus 13 is 49. So there's total 49 students who took the survey. Number 2, list the subject in order from the most votes to the fewest votes. So we're going to compare the numbers. So as we see here, reading has the most votes here. So there's 15 votes. So number 1, and math is second because it's 13. And then 8 is third. And 7 is fourth. And 6 is the last one, fifth. So we'll order like that. So we'll put it as reading, math, science, art, and social studies. Okay. Number 3, how many more students chose math than social studies? So we're going to look at math and social studies here. So math is 13 here. And social studies 6. So 13 minus 6 is 7. So 7 more students. And number 4, how many more students chose art than reading? So reading is 15 and art is 7. So we'll subtract it to find out. 15 minus 7, which is 8. So 8 more. And number 5 is how many more students chose science than social studies? So science and social studies. Science is this one. 8 students and social studies 6, as we saw before. So 8 minus 6. And which is 2. So 2 more. Next one, use the line plot to answer the question. How many hours in total did the band? So let's see. So there's 3 hours. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4. So there's 5 4-hour set. And 1 5 hours. 1, 2, 2 6 hours. And 0 7 hours, so we don't count that. And 1 2 3 8 hours. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 5 times 4 is 20. And 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 6 is 12. And 3 times 8 is 24. So we'll add everything up now. And make sure to multiply in this case because you already know that there's numbers indicating how many hours they practice for each one. But there's like different amount for each one. So yeah, you have to multiply it first, then add it up. 24. So 6 plus 20 is 26. And 26 plus 5 is 31. And 31 plus 12 is 43. And 43 plus 24 is 67. So 67 hours in total. If the circles represent the band members, what do the numbers stand for? The numbers stand for the number of hours they practice, because this shows how many people practice for this much hours. So yeah. So we'll say number of hours that band members practice for. What is the greatest number of hours any member practice? What is the least? So in this case, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 is the greatest, obviously. So 8 hours is the highest, and 3 is the least. So greatest. Least is 3 hours. So our problem, Emma took 5 quizzes and her scores were 8, 9, 10, 7, and 6. What is the mean score of Emma's quizzes? Mean score, sorry. So for mean, you have to add everything up and divide it by number of, total number of like the numbers that you have. So we'll add it up. So 8, so for example, in this case, 8 plus 9 plus 10, so yeah. And divide by, since there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, we'll divide it by 5. So this means that 17 plus 10 and 27 plus 7, 34 plus 6, and 40. So 40 divided, you have to add this ones first on the top, the numerator. And 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 8 is the mean score. And median score, you just look at the middle number in the number set. So wait. Also make sure to write it in order when you're doing median, because it might mess up if it's not in order. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And median is 8 because there's 2 numbers on each side, and 8 is the middle number. So 8. Number 2, a team scored these points in 5 games, 15, 20, 25, 10, and 30. What is the mean number of points scored per game? So mean number, we're going to calculate the same thing again. So we're going to add all the numbers. 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 10 plus 30. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers again, so divide by 5. So we'll calculate the numerator first. So 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 plus 25 is 60. And 60 plus 10 is 70. And 70 plus 30 is 100. So 100 divided by 5, and that's 20. So when you calculate it, as you know how to do division, so 5 times 2 is 10, and you just apply 0 again because 5 times 0 is 0. So that makes it just 0. So 20 is the median, and we'll just rewrite the numbers in order. So 15, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And the median is the middle number I told you. So in this case, there's only 5 numbers, and there's equal amount number on both left side and right side. So 20 is the middle number. So 20 is also median. And if you want to find the median in like the even number set, which is like 10, 15, 20, 25, you may add the middle number, 2 middle numbers together first, so like this, and divide it by 2, so you can get the average of it. So this is like 35 by 2, and the same as 17.5, like that. Yeah, just know how to calculate mean. So you just add up the whole numbers and divide by the number of numbers that you have, and the median is just like middle number always. And that's it. Thank you.